guys, you are watching Carefree. Today I'll show you my experience box that I made for my father on the Father's Day. Hope you like my experience box. I'll also upload its tutorial after 500 subscribers. So let's start. So on the top I put a ribbon to make my card so beautiful. So when we open the card, you can see that there is a cake. I made this cake to show my love and joy for my father. And in this portion, I put a card in this way. In this card, I have written, "My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. He believed in me." On the left side, I have made a pocket and put another card in this. In this card, I have written the qualities of my father, like fantastic, ambitious, talented, hardworking, ebullient, responsible. These all qualities starts with the letters of father, like fantastic starts with the F, then ambitious starts with A, then talented starts with T, then hardworking starts with H, then ebullient starts with E, and then at last responsible starts with father. Fathers are. On the top, I have made another pocket and put some papers in this. On the first paper, I have written, "I'm as lucky as can be, for the best father belongs to me." Then, on the second paper, I have written, "Some people don't believe in heroes, but they have not met my dad." On the third card, I have written the qualities of dad: dedicated and devoted. These qualities also starts with the letters of dad, like D, A, and D. On the last card, I have written, "Dad, I am so thankful to have such an amazing and lovely father. A special place in my heart will always belongs to you." On the right side, I made a heart pop-up box. So when we open the ribbon, it will open. And here you can see I have written, "I love you." So now we will tie the ribbon to close it. I have used red paper to make her pop-up box. On the sides of the clean box, I have pasted hearts. Hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.